trying to keep us afloat, wading through pressure from peers. They'll paddle to dry land, grow through each of our fears. My tears, iridescent. So, your favorite color? Acute paranoia till it is all over. Drip drops replace my four-leaf clovers. Don't you hear the sound? Gentle hands trying to reach you. Sifting through the still waters of pain for touch you snatch away. Makes our life Salvinia. Seasick from the waves. Don't let us drown. In any tide I can reach you. As the seas rip and run, we know two's more than one. Take my hand and let's peek towards the sun. I'm begging you. Thank you, God.